Welcome back. Now we're going to use the cosine rule to find a missing angle. We're asked to find angle x. This is angle x. Again, look at the situation. We've been given a side, side, side. So we're looking to get an angle. So when we're given the side, 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 that kind of implies we're looking for an angle because we have all of the sides. As for the sine rule and the previous cosine rule, the first thing we do is label the diagram. So I stick with the side that I'm looking for as an A, and I just label the rest. Step 2, as before, is to write out the formula. The cos of A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2BC. So step 3 is to substitute. So here goes, we've got the cosine of A. Cos of A is equal to B squared, which is 10, so it's 10 squared plus C squared, which is 17, minus A squared, which is 12 squared, all divided by 2 lots of B multiplied by C. So step 4 is to solve this. As with normal right angle trigonometry, we're not going to divide both sides by cos. What we're going to do is multiply them both by cos of -1. And that means we can use the inverse cos on our calculators. So if I multiply this side by cos of -1 and this side by cos of -1, this is what I get. So now I place that in my calculator and I will get 43.9 degrees to 1 decimal place. Okay, so if you finish this one, it's worth looking at the rearrangement of the cosine rule in the next video.